So this is a Wānanga. We're at Te Rau Aroha Marae in Bluff. This was an opportunity for our Tāne Navigators from Te Tonga to come together in Wānanga. So this is our Mana Tāne Wānanga. So it was an opportunity for our Tāne to whakawhanaungatanga with each other, learn of each other, kōrero, share experiences, share resources.
We've lined up this Mana Tāne Wānanga with Men's Mental Health Week. We work in a female-dominated industry. It's in social and health services. Now there's a few more men coming in to do this mihi, which is pretty cool. So because we're always working in a female environment, we don't get much time to spend with other Tāne who are doing this mihi, to hear their points of view from a male perspective, which is really valuable for us to develop our service even further to become better at what we do.
This idea first came about having a Tāne focused Wānanga, and being involved in the co-design of it, I think, was really set the intention of what was to come. And over the last 8 weeks, we've been heavily involved in how that process is going to look for the days that we are in Wānanga, what content that we think is going to be beneficial for us, as opposed to given directives on what to talk about. We've been the ones to lead that out, and that's been the point of difference for me, being able to take out relevant information that is dear to my heart and talked about in a sense where different perspectives of Tāne that are working in this space hold a lot of value.
I definitely think as Tāne we're responsible to ourselves to stand up as brothers and stand up as a community, especially within this space, but also other spaces as well, to take responsibility for our health. A lot of the times, because of that mentor, provider and protector, we don't just burn the candle at both ends, we throw the whole thing in the fire. And so we see Tāne going towards burnout, Tāne who are unwilling to go to a state of vulnerability. We know that vulnerability opens you up to the most powerful change and powerful healing. If we as Tāne in this space, in this kaupapa, are afraid to go or unwilling to go to that vulnerable space for ourselves, how do we then expect the Tāne in our community, when we're working with them, to go to that space for themselves?